What's up, y'all? Today I will be making homemade lumpias. If you've seen, I did a review not too long ago for lumpias and I liked it. Now my recipe is going to be a little bit different. With that, you need like a wrapper. I don't have that. I'm going to be using the egg roll wrapper. You got to go to a certain supermarket to get it, and I didn't do it, so I'm going to use some egg roll wrapper. I kind of like want to see it do what I like it as well in the regular egg roll wrappers. If I just want it in the regular spring roll wrappers, how it's supposed to be. Ground pork. I know it's not the right thing, but I'm gonna be using ground breakfast pork. Now I know y'all like, it's not the same. It's not, but it's still pork though. Ground pork already got salt in it, so yeah, I'm gonna try to be careful with the salt intake, even though some things I'm gonna be using got salt in it. Also, you need some shredded carrots. I have frozen carrots and I shredded it. I'm gonna season it with ginger, onion powder, allspice, garlic powder, my oyster sauce, as well as some little bit sesame seed oil, a little bit of brown sugar. I'm gonna be using 2 kinds of sauce. One of it is gonna be with this is actually 1 banana, ripe banana, and ketchup, and I put a little bit of brown sugar. And the other one's gonna be sweet and spicy. It's gonna be a little bit of maple syrup. I was gonna use some hot sauce, but I had this. This is like breakfast sauce, and it go good with the breakfast sauce. It's got like some little spiciness, so I'm gonna use those 2 combinations. All right, that's it. I'm gonna get started. Okay, and I'm sorry, y'all. You're gonna need some vegetable oil. You can use any type. Mine was inside the pan, so that's why I didn't show you it. So I'm gonna take my sausage. This is my ginger, 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, this is gonna be 1/2 teaspoon for the onion powder and the garlic powder. A teaspoon of the allspice. 1/2 teaspoon of the sesame seed oil. A teaspoon of the oyster sauce. A 1/4 teaspoon. That's good. So I don't want this too salty. I'm gonna use a little bit of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon. Alright, I'm gonna take this and mix it up. And I know how some people like put their meat on raw. Yeah, that's alright. On spring roll, no, I'm gonna cut mine first. And I have that on medium high. I'm just gonna wait till it get a little hotter, start cooking a little bit, and then I'm gonna break it down. I started breaking down before I hit record. I'm just gonna okay, it's been a few minutes later. I turned the stove off, but I do want to put the carrots in here. You just want to take it off the heat, mix it up. And I'm going to let this cool down, then I'll show you the next step as well. Okay, I actually put that in the freezer for a little bit because I wanted to cool down some. Also too, if you want to strain yours, you don't want all that oil, or it shouldn't really have a lot of oil, but if it do, or even if you don't want no oil at all, you can strain it and then put it in a bowl and then put it in the freezer for a little bit, so let it cool down. I just kept my little oil in it because it wasn't that much anyways. I'm gonna make the other sauce real quick, breakfast sauce. I'll see if I want to put more maple than that because I don't want it too spicy. Just mix that on up. Alright, test to see if it's to my liking. Yeah, I like this sauce. Okay, I took this out the freezer. I'm gonna put this in the food processor. Okay, I put it in my food processor. So yeah, now it's thin. I'm gonna take a little bit. It might be too much because I'm always overdoing it. Okay, we're gonna see what this wrapping. Be kind of hard to see. Okay, this side on this, I'm gonna tuck. Okay, the part on the sides, I'm gonna tuck those in as well. Then continue to roll it down. Take a little bit of water on a brush and brush the ends. Use egg wash, but I feel like why waste up an egg when you don't have to? See, the water did the job. I'm gonna do the rest of them like this. Okay, this is how much I rolled up. I'm gonna sit it in the freezer and let it firm up. Okay, while my oil getting hot, this is the banana ketchup that I had. And I know y'all like, okay, wasn't it filled up more than this? It was. It wasted out. So I only got this. So what I'm gonna do is just combine both of the sauces that I made. I want it to be thicker, my sauce. I don't like no runny sauce. Taste some. Y'all like this? Delicious. Okay, I'm about to fry it. I have it on medium high heat. And I'm gonna go ahead and drop. It's turning brown a little bit right here. I'm gonna flip this over. Ooh. Over, baby. Come on now. It's like you don't want it. I'm gonna have to pepper it, I guess. Go ahead and take this side. See how brown it is? Take out that oil and put it on the rack. I tell you, this you things don't be wanting to flip over. We gonna do it though. I had to wait till it cooled down. First, I'm gonna get into it before I eat it with the sauce. Well, I just like cabbage. the little part of the wrapper from, yeah. Right. It's still good. It's like slightly salty, but not too much. But you taste the majority of the flavors of that allspice, a little bit of that ginger. This is good. It's not greasy inside or anything. And I thought it was gonna be like a little kind of like burnt, because some parts I like it didn't want to brown up, and then so the other parts was had to stay there a little longer in the oil, but it's still good. Let me dip inside the sauce. Okay, it's the set on the sauce. It's pretty good. That's good. That's how I like it. Good burger. Baby. Baby again. This the one, not the two. Well, actually, yeah, because not only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all of them. This is good. Which one do I prefer? Of course, it's still crunchy, but it's not as crunchy as it would be if I got the lumpia. Now, you know, that's skinnier and longer. This is smaller, but it's, you know, in weight. I prefer both. If you've seen that video when I tried the lumpia, I said I tell both the egg roll, spring roll, lumpia, all of them though. I'm not joking. 10. 10 all day, baby. Hit this recipe up. Now let's see.
A few moments.
I take that back with the crunch. It's just as crunchy.